Did you know that, according to a big report by the World Bank, SMEs in Malaysia are not only facing a major hurdle related to funding when it comes to switching to a digital solutions, but there is also a serious lack of technical and administrative skills. As an example, I have heard of cases when the owner of an SME trying to install a digital payroll system himself made several mistakes that led to weeks of late salary payments. This is a common problem, and most business owners have become overwhelmed and frustrated, and this significantly reduces the growth of their business. Hello, greetings everyone. I am Nurul Amir binti Kasim. I was an office management administrator at Fast Track Tire, and I was in charge of transitioning our company to digital platforms including MySyarikat app. From that experience, I realized how problematic it is to transition to digital system with paper-based systems and keep daily operations. The reality is, without the danger of making a substantial mistake, many SMEs do not have the manpower to handle these technical changes. To give you some context, the Malaysian government is currently promoting the adoption of digitalization by SMEs through the Malaysia Digital Economy Blueprint, and the new technologies such as Jibble or PayrollPanda is a new standard. Nonetheless, it may be expensive to hire a full-time professional, and although software providers have tutorials, these are frequently slow, need to be booked in advance, and not tailored to the needs of a particular business. So what is the answer? The solution is Flexidesk, a platform where you can find someone to install a system in a couple of days with a specific expert in administration. It is an on-demand B2B freelance service that matches SMEs to vetted professionals help with short-term digital setups and office workflows. Diving deeper into the issue, small business would like to utilize contemporary HR and administration applications, but in many cases are not experts at configuring them appropriately. Whenever business owners decide to set this system up themselves, it may lead to confusion and error, and hence cause great delays in payroll and attendance handling. And most importantly, it should be noted that digitalization with the appropriate knowledge may have significant legal consequences. Even a slight error in text or EPF configuration may cause serious administrative fines, inspections, and breaches of labor law, which most small and medium enterprises cannot afford. So, to solve this, Flexidesk offers an on-demand services that enable business to hire skilled administrator for individual projects. Our experts not only guide you beyond slow tutorials, but also complete the setup accurately and train your staff within a few days. Let me explain why Flexidesk is the best solution, since it has the following benefits. First, it is very economical. You can only pay on certain projects without the need to have long-term financial commitments like monthly salaries, EPF or SOCSO. Second, as opposed to the international freelance agencies, our certified local professionals have an in-depth understanding of the Malaysian labor regulations and local software integration, and therefore, they can fully integrate with your system. And finally, we also provide a quick instant outcomes in operation, which makes you save the expensive and time-saving process of conventional recruitment. In conclusion, Flexidesk closes the digital skills gap, enabling SMEs to update their workflows efficiently without the hassle of hiring or danger of expensive mistakes. So ask yourself this: do you hate paying to use software only to be given tutorials that do not relate to your special business issues? The time to put an end to delayed payments and complex paperwork due to setup errors is long overdue. Select Flexidesk today to ease your moving to a digital life and assist your business to grow confidently. Thank you.